Hi, I'm Claudine Pied. I'm an associate professor of anthropology and sociology, and I also teach at the University of Wisconsin at Platteville.
And I'm Shan Sappleton, Associate Professor of Political Science at the University of Wisconsin-Platteville.
So our project that we're working on is looking at the changes in agricultural land ownership in southern Wisconsin and looking at the effect of these changes on the communities in southern Wisconsin and on the dairy industry itself. So we see, for example, development pressure in certain parts of the state leading to a decline in agricultural land, and then in other parts of the state, we can see land sales leading to a consolidation of agricultural land. And all this can contribute to and has contributed to the decline of mid-sized dairy farms in Wisconsin.
We ask how dairy farmers and community members' connections to the land affect their decisions, how landowners and farmers make decisions about what to do with their land, and which land-based agricultural, conservation, and recreational policies would most effectively support the interests and needs of small and mid-sized dairy farms and their communities.
So our project is very student-driven, so we'll have students and faculty working together to collect data, and they'll do so through qualitative research methods of interviewing and spending time with people in rural communities in Wisconsin, specifically, of course, on dairy farms, but also we want to talk to people who work in government agencies or who own small businesses in rural communities, or just have a concern about changes in the landscapes of rural areas. So overall, we have three major goals that we want to focus on. The first, as we talked about, is to gain an understanding of how changes in dairy land ownership is affecting farmers and communities in southern Wisconsin.
Recommend land-based policy changes that reflect the concerns of dairy farmers and their surrounding communities.
And finally, we want to increase student understanding of the connections between land ownership and stewardship, strong farms, and healthy communities.
We're happy to be a part of this statewide commitment to practical student-involved research.
And, if you're interested in our project, if you'd like to get involved, we are always wanting to find new people to talk to, and I encourage you to get in touch with either Professor Sappleton or myself. Thank you.